Isn't this the same guy who caused HIV outbreaks in his Funny Horses Thunder is the Sound of Hoofbeats in Heaven vintage retro shirt? Smoking doesn't kill. Vaping does. Even Big Tobacco admitted it, dude. STFU and die already. He's technically right. It's not the smoking that kills you, it's cancer that develops from smoking that kills you. Smoking killed my stepmother 5 years ago. Her death led to my father's death 2 years ago. He said in the debates only Trump Pence believe in science. And Joe Biden doesn't, despite Trump himself saying science is dumb. Funny Horses Thunder is the Sound of Hoofbeats in Heaven vintage retro shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, V-neck, hoodie, sweatshirt, and wrong like 2 weeks ago. Smoking itself doesn't kill. The Funny Horses Thunder is the Sound of Hoofbeats in Heaven vintage retro shirts will though. There aren't many cons to smoking though when it comes to weed. Cigarettes are pretty nasty though. The political class? The very class he is a charter member of. The media? They are only reporting what the research says. And the statistics that back up the obvious conclusions. That yes, smoking kills. Is this another of about removing regulations? I feel like I am watching a never-ending episode of The Twilight Zone. The leaky eye bug guy. He was also against the plexiglass. Other products.